The nominees for Best Reality Show are
Dúchlan Octag Octohain, Living the Eviction.
Well, thank you in English.
I think you have it all, and then all of a sudden something like that happens, and it's bigger than life. I would have walked here for that.
The Great Irish Bake Off.
And as Laura plates up, disaster strikes again.
Not really sure what it's supposed to look like in anybody else's head, but at the moment it kind of looks like a little bowl of Special K, so we'll go with that.
Jockey Ella.
Rodeo man.
Fair play to him.
Oh.
Fair play to him.
He never did that in his life, that hurt.
Maybe got a pinch of the girl that interests me. That'll look good for television, huh?
Operation Transformation.
The fitness level is in the lowest 5% for women of your age. That's frightening. If they don't take action now, it's going to have severe repercussions.
And the IFTA goes to Operation Transformation. Thank you.
Amazing. Firstly, I'd like to thank IFTA and everyone here who voted for Operation Transformation, which is in essence a show about real people in real situations, all filmed in real time. Turning around 2 shows every week for 8 weeks is no mean feat, and we often say that actually there's another reality show and what happens behind the scenes. But tonight I sincerely want to just thank everybody who endures the pace of January and February, to our completely competent production team, to our talented team over in Screen Scene in the edit, to all our colleagues in RTE, in the John Murray Show and in RTE Press, and of course of all our crew, and of course to Catherine and our panel of experts. I've produced Operation Transformation for the last 4 years, so I just want to thank Philip Kampf for giving me the opportunity to work on such a strong original Irish format. And I just want to also acknowledge that a lot of brilliant people have worked in this production over the years. So to everybody that played an instrumental role in really moulding the show into what it is today, thank you. And finally, I just want to say, this is really for the leaders. You know, it never ceases to amaze me that each year they come forward and they open their lives to us and are brutally, brutally honest. And the reality is that without them, that we wouldn't be standing here tonight. So thank you so much. You know,
just quickly, I'd like to mention Mr. Jerry Ryan, rest in peace, and Maura and the kids. Thanks a million.